Hey guys, if your Photoshop application is running slowly, then keep watching as I'm going to show you a few ways to speed it up. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to Edit in the top navigation and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Preferences. And then from here, click on Performance. Now, the first thing you need to do is increase the memory usage. Now, you can do that just by dragging this slider all the way up to its maximum. Now, do bear in mind, by having this set to its fullest, it does mean your background applications will take a hit on performance. So if you don't want to set this all the way to 100%, you could always set it to around 90, but I like to keep mine at 100. Then you need to make sure Use Graphics Processor is checked like so. Make sure you have multi-threaded compositing turned on. Then you're going to reduce the number of history states to 4. The cache levels, we're going to increase that all the way to 6. And the cache tile size, you want to make sure this is set to its maximum, which is 1028. Then what you can do is press OK to save all of these changes. Then you'll need to come over to Edit in the top navigation, come down to Purge, and from here you want to select All. If this All button's grayed out, then just select Video Cache instead. And then once you've done that, you can close out of the Photoshop application. Now, the last thing you can do to make sure Photoshop's running at maximum speed is to come over to your Start menu and search for Adobe Creative Cloud, and then just click on it like so. Now, once you're signed into your account, click on Updates from the right hand side and just ensure you're running the latest version of Photoshop. If there are any updates inside of here, then go ahead and click on these update buttons now. You can also just click this Update All button at the top, and that's going to go ahead and update all of your Adobe software. And once you've followed all of these steps, that should have now sped up your Adobe Photoshop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.